What's going on, guys? I am Ben Slattery, and I'm here to take you guys through our East Coast Customs Facebook page as well as our blog. So we're going to start here with the Facebook page. We have, first of all, our profile picture is a nice logo, East Coast Customs Auto Repair and Customization. Additionally, our cover photo, also a relevant picture for our business. On the side here, we have some contact information, because what we want the Facebook page mainly for, what differentiates that from the blog, is that we're encouraging interaction. We want to interact with our customers. We want them to send us messages, which they have the option to do right up here. Additionally, they could contact us. We have many contact points here. And it just also spread the word about our business, because you have the share button here. People can share our posts, share our page. So yeah, we also have the Learn More button here. If you click that, it takes us right to our website. And returning to the Facebook page, we have two posts currently. The first one we pinned at the top of the page, and it just says, "Hello everyone, we're introducing ourselves. We are East Coast Customs." It goes through our origin story, what we do, why we do it, and our goals. And at the end of the post, it says, "We are excited to join Facebook, and we can't wait to hear from you all." Because, again, at the bottom line is we want to encourage people to interact with our page. We want them to send us messages. We want them to share our page. So, yeah. And our second post here is our announcement that we now have an official East Coast Customs blog. And I added the link here. So we're going to click that link, take us over to the blog. And the blog right now, we only have two posts. It's just kind of introductory posts. One of them explaining our origins, why we do what we do, what our goals are. And then the next one is what we do, the services that we offer, and why we should be the company that services your car rather than another company. So what we'll do with the blog in the future is, if we're working on any high-profile cars that we might want to share with anyone interested, we would post updates on those cars, post pictures, blog posts, just reviewing what we've done with the car, what we're planning on doing with the car, and just really keep everyone updated on what we're doing and keep them interested. So yeah, that's the Facebook page and the blog.